Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP OfficeJet 250 mobile all-in-one printer, and now I can show you how to reset all settings but without the factory reset. To do it, you need to open the control panel, or click on the settings button, then scroll down. Find here printer maintenance and scroll down again and find restore button and click restore settings. And here you can check, you can choose which settings you want to restore. For example, you want to restore only scan settings. So choose only scan and click restore. Click restore again. And cool, only scan settings was restored. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.